Welcome to Life Beyond Certificate channel. Today, we will be talking on 5 ways you can earn on Pinterest. Before we proceed, I will encourage you to subscribe to this channel, so that you won't miss out of our previous and current videos. First of all, what is Pinterest? Pinterest is a visual search engine for discovering inspiration for your house, wardrobe, and other topics. Additionally, Pinterest is a social media platform where you may gather and share pictures of whatever you find fascinating. 5 ways you can earn on Pinterest are: driving traffic to your online store, advertising on Pinterest, affiliate marketing, create a blog, partnering with brands. Let's get down to full details. Driving traffic to your online store can increase your earnings. So, a wonderful approach to improve website traffic is to regularly create and upload pins of your products. You can choose to direct traffic from the pin to either your website or a specific product. Businesses who are active on Pinterest will undoubtedly attract the correct customers. Next is advertising on Pinterest. Advertising on Pinterest can be advantageous for you because users use it to get inspiration for what to buy, where to go on vacation, or to learn more about particular activities. So you can also promote goods or services on Pinterest. Types of ads are: videos ads, carousel ads, promotion pins. You can also do affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money by sharing products, such as promoting clothing or makeup on Pinterest. The next way to earn on Pinterest is by creating a blog, because it is arguably the most well-known technique to earn money on Pinterest. Many users do this to increase traffic. By starting a blog and linking it on Pinterest, you can always expect positive feedback. Make sure the blog article you've linked to is relevant to the board where you're displaying it. The next way to earn on Pinterest is by promoting blog posts using affiliate links on Pinterest. If you want to use Pinterest to generate income by driving visitors to blog posts with affiliate links, you must choose a product that is relevant to your blog's theme and intended readers. Create a blog article with links to your affiliate products. And finally is co-promote with brand companies. To generate money on Pinterest, you can co-promote with another company. So, as a pinner, you have the option of collaborating with another brand to make pins that advertise a company's goods.